over 140 years of history, CRRC is devoted to offering safe, dependable, high-speed, comfortable, and environmental-friendly products and services to customers worldwide, as well as providing efficient system solutions for the sustainable growth of global rail transit. CRRC established partnership with Australia at the close of the 20th century. During the cooperation over the past 2 decades, CRRC has gradually gained its recognition from Australian users and people by virtue of our remarkable products and services. Since 1999, when we provided services for Australia for the first time, CRRC has focused on developing green, sustainable, and environmental-friendly products from the source, making our own contribution to the sustainable, healthy growth of Australia's rail transit. In Melbourne, we have established an engineering research centre for rail vehicles to provide technical support for rail vehicle projects in the Asia-Pacific region, focusing on addressing technical challenges in vehicle design, manufacture, and maintenance. Developed by CRRC independently, the SDA-1 locomotive features low operating noise, high traction power, and a maximum speed of 120 km per hour. It has successfully passed more than 30 certification tests in Australia. The long steel rail carrier car we developed for Rio Tinto can transport 40 steel rails, which each is 400 meters in length and 68.5 kilograms per meter simultaneously. That significantly reduces the number of construction operators and their labor intensity, delivering service in a whole new way that is tailored to the user's specific needs. Australia is a homeland for many rare animals. A deep connection to the natural world runs in the veins of the people who live here, which coincides with CRRC's business philosophy of environmental protection and green growth. CRRC launched Red-Crowned Crane in Eyes of CRRC, a photo exhibition in the 3rd Australia Chinese Cultural Festival 2019, through the artwork of CRRC employee, introducing the Australian audience to the beauty and mystery of the Chinese red-crowned cranes and their habitat, whereby CRRC conveyed its concept of respect for nature and the harmonious coexistence between business and nature. The communication of art knows no borders. In 2019, CRRC held the Australia Rail Transit Photography event, which gathered approximately 400 works. CRRC also donated books and other cultural products to Australian enterprises and public institutions to boost cultural interactions between the 2 countries. The rail transit gives opportunities for the rapid growth of public transportation in a variety of nations globally. Additionally, it empowers the development of global freight logistics with high efficiency and low-cost transportation solutions. We have heralded a new chapter of exchanges and collaboration with all parties in society for mutual benefit and win-win outcomes in Australia, based on the technology, management, operation, and service expertise gathered in the industry. CRRC has 8 subsidiaries in Australia, creating more than 1,000 local job opportunities. We firmly fulfill our corporate social responsibility. Integrate into the community with an open and inclusive attitude, being a good partner and neighbour of the community. As a member of the Australian Railway Association, CRRC actively engages in activities such as AusRail and is committed to the cooperation between the 2 parties in the field of rail transit. When the COVID-19 pandemic swept the globe in 2020, CRRC has surmounted the outbreak's effect on the supply chain and supplied customer products on time to safeguard the interests of Australian consumers. Ms. Vandita Pant, Chief Commercial Officer of BHP, sent an appreciation letter to CRRC on September 27th in commemoration of CRRC's 140th anniversary. Ms. Vandita Pant recorded another blessing video to CRRC, demonstrating the 2 sides' friendship. CRRC has also cooperated with Australian universities and educational institutions to strengthen academic communication in the field of rail transit technology. In 2020, we developed our own cloud-based open courseware of next-generation urban rail platform, which was favorably applauded by professors and students at Swinburne University. A special CRRC Merit Scholarship Program would be launched in 2021 by CRRC and the University of Queensland to promote and inspire future generations of Australians to actively involved in the development of the nation's industry. CRRC has always insisted on making the most reliable products and being the most respectable company. At a new point of departure, we look forward to further exerting our professional advantages and capabilities to make our humble contribution to the course of Australian people's safe, comfortable, and fast travel.